In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image upload issue in WordPress. If you're running into errors when trying to upload images, the most common cause is a permissions problem in your site's uploads folder. We're going to use a file manager plugin to check and adjust that safely and quickly. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard. If you don't already have a file manager tool installed, head to the plugins area. Select Add New, search for File Manager, then click Install Now and activate. This gives you a simple way to browse your site files without leaving WordPress. Once it's active, look at the left-hand menu and click File Manager. You'll see your site's folders. Scroll until you find the folder named WP Content. Right-click it and choose the option to open it in a new window or tab. This makes it easier to keep track of where you are. Inside WP Content, locate the folder called Uploads. That's where WordPress stores your media files. The next step is to review and, if needed, adjust the permissions on the Uploads folder. In many file manager plugins, there's a settings area or a gear icon where you can find a change permission or permissions option. If you see it, click it. You'll typically find a numeric permission setting. As a guideline, folders like Uploads should usually be set to 755 and files inside it to 644. These values allow WordPress to write images to the folder while keeping your site secure. Avoid setting anything to 777 as that can create security risks. If your file manager offers an option to apply the permission change to subfolders and files, enable it so everything inside Uploads inherits the correct settings. Then save or apply the changes. This simple adjustment is often enough to resolve upload errors related to permissions. If the settings or change permission option isn't visible in your file manager, don't worry. Plugin layouts can vary by version or theme. In that case, you can try right-clicking the Uploads folder to see if the permissions option appears there. If it still isn't available or you're unsure which values to use, reach out to your hosting provider's customer support. They can adjust the permissions for you and double-check that everything is configured correctly on the server side. That's it. By installing a file manager, opening WP Content, going into Uploads and correcting permissions, you typically resolve the image upload issue without any extra tools or complex steps.